Hey guys, welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you some tips and tricks to gain followers easily on Scratch and just get liked by Scratchers. So, let's get started. Guys, first of all, we are going to start with the coding so that you know how to make your Scratch project better from the inside. So, first, don't use any of these things like the pre-made sprites because scratchers just don't like it. You make your own things. That's basically what people like. These are extremely bad, so just don't use human figures. Okay, at this point I sound like a robot human figure. Oh no, what did I just click? So the next one is in the sprite editor. Oh, what just happened? Just become red. So for example, if you want to make a mountain, then just okay, I guess this mountain wouldn't be a mountain, it would be something else. So if you want to make a mountain, then add some good effects to the mountain. Like just don't do this, fill it with green. Oh my gosh, an amazing mountain. That should not be the case at all. Control plus C, control plus V. Yeah. Now let's take an example of what I do. The pro. Like you should make the mountain look a little uneven, like realistic. Uneven equals realistic. That's what I believe. And just add some gradients in it. Swap. This should not be there. Yep. Scratch provided me with the best grading at the start. I don't know why. So it just looks amazing with these good effects. Now the next one. People also remix your project. So don't try to add too much complex code. Like if you want to add moves and steps, don't add a large piece of code just to make it seem professional. Even GriffPath does not do that much weird things. Okay, I bet I am scared that GriffPath is gonna break into my room. Please spare me GriffPath. So the next one is like the overall behavior. So in Scratch, you have to have a good image about your projects and your overall thing. Well, I'm not giving you life advice here. You have a good image. But what I mean is to not just beg people for follows. Please give me some views. Please give me some follows. Please don't do that. Now I'm saying please. So the next one is don't create weird platformers. Like you must know what is the case on Scratch. The next one, don't misconfuse YouTube trends with Scratch trends. They are completely different. Like, what's the current YouTube trend? Okay, I just don't sound. What the hell just happening to my computer? Okay, now I'm going Steven here at this point. So I'll just type in something to show you. 2 seconds. Yeah, looks pretty decent. A really nice scratch trend, I mean a YouTube trend. Many people be sure to not accuse me of watching that. I'm not one of those kids. Like, I bet nothing will be here. Just, I bet Scratch thing is also terrified. Oh my gosh, YouTube is taking over. It has so many views. Okay, guys, but even though this has many views, please subscribe to my channel. No, I mean follow my account because these people are cringe and I make good games. Please follow. See my username here. Look at this, guys. This is the worst thing. It's loading. How can such a weird thing load? Japanese. It wasn't Japanese there. Braille. Are you serious, my guy? Braille. No, is he making a picture? Alright, that was all for this video. Till then, bye.